Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is my open concept color palette series. If you remember or have seen the prior videos, I've shown you some of this content before, but now what I want to do from the open concept perspective is show you how, if you live in an open concept home, you can make all of your colors mix and blend perfectly in order to create that cohesive design, ceiling to floor and floor to ceiling. First and foremost, I want to thank all my subscribers. I thank you so very much for supporting my channel. If you are not one of my subscribers, and assuming that you like the content that you see, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click your notification bell, and do click it twice so you too will be notified of all future video uploads from me. What I'm showing you in this video is the finale of 3 different areas which I have designed. The first area was my entryway. The second area was my formal dining set with the buffet server. And lastly, I shared my formal living room. The reason why I'm calling this the open concept color palette series is because when you live in an open concept home, you have to make sure that when you look across the space, all of the colors mix and match perfectly well so that you create the cohesive palette. As you can see, as I continue to pan this camera, that my base colors are light brown or tan, which represents the color of my floors. My walls are also in a very light beige. I also have light beige in some of my furniture. Then I have darker tones in the coffee table, in the bookshelf, in the sofa table, the buffet server. Even the legs of my formal chairs are dark brown. So when we talk about base colors, what I'm referring to are the colors of the furniture, the floors, the drapes, those things that you normally do not change from design to design. The accent colors are the colors that you pull in then to complement your base colors. And as you can see, I've added greenery in each design across the entire space. I've also added gold in the lamps and lamp shades, silver, which is in the family of gray, where I picked up gray for the accent pillows on the sofa. You will notice when I pan the camera, I also have gray and gold in the artwork that's over the buffet server by the table. So as a recap, my accent colors are green, gold, gray, silver, which is in the family of gray. I also have sprinkled in a little bit of brown and tan, and I've spread each of those colors across the individual 3 designs. This is Freddie. I'm Freddie King's Home Decor, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.